I usually carry a small journal around where I put my ideas and other thoughts down on paper. I write longhand and cursive and wasn't particular about what pen I used. Almost all the time, it was a ballpoint pen. I discovered the joy of writing with a fountain pen at the Fountain Pen Hospital on Warren Street in Manhattan, close to City Hall. During the Industrial Revolution, the fountain pen replaced the dip pen as the most common writing instrument, and especially in the 19th century, many innovations were attributed to them. My favorite fountain pen story is about an insurance salesman named Lewis Waterman, who lost a big deal when his fountain pen leaked all over an important contract, prompting him to design a better pen. In fact, his superior pens were made in New York City at the Waterman Building on the corner of Broadway and Cortlandt Street. I bought a Conklin recently, an American brand whose spokesman was Mark Twain. He lived in Manhattan for a time. In fact, the building he lived in still stands in Greenwich Village. Twain was impressed by the Conklin's self-filling mechanism and because it was a profanity saver as it didn't roll off the desk. Don't get me wrong, I still like writing with ballpoint pens. In the 20th century, ballpoints improved on fountain pens in many ways, especially with their fast-drying, long-lasting ink. While fountain pens really are a joy, I don't want to discourage anyone from writing with whatever pen they got. It beats thumbs on glass, that's for sure.